Alright, what's going on, everybody? Storm Chaser Kevin here, live from Bristol, Connecticut, with an important weather update / forecast for you guys regarding Thursday, February 6th, 2025, winter storm / Alberta Clipper. Here is my latest and final thoughts on this Thursday's storm. They have not given it a name, but my latest observations are 3 to 6 inches of snow. So that means for Bristol, you can get 3 to 6 inches of snowfall. And I would not be surprised if some areas, when all's said and done, like isolated areas, get 6+ inches, which 6 or 7 inches. I do not believe anybody is going to get over 7 inches of snow with this system on Thursday. As for my friends in Danbury, Connecticut, I believe you guys are looking at about 2 to 3 inches, isolated 4 inches. I do not expect thunder snow with this event, however, it is possible. Also, please, if you have to drive on the roads Thursday, please be very careful. Roads are going to be slippery and very hazardously dangerous. Also, if you see a snowplow driver, stay clear of it and let them do their job. Also, if you are in a crash or hydroplane into a snowbank, call 911 right away. Also, there is the potential for a significant and major winter storm this Saturday and Sunday. At this point, I would say details on this are very, very limited. But just stay tuned to another forecast and weather update on Saturday morning or Saturday afternoon. Also, one more thing. I believe some of the heavy snow bands with this system on Thursday could produce thunder snow. Not a guarantee, but the chances of it right now are 25 and 75. So you have a 25% chance of seeing thunder snow with the heaviest snow bands and a 75% chance of not seeing thunder snow at all. So just stay tuned and stay safe out there on Thursday. And also there will be a parking ban in effect Thursday morning at 9:30 a.m. until about 7 o'clock at night tomorrow night. Stay safe out there. If you have to drive safely and be careful. Also, if you're at the store right now grocery shopping, go get that milk, butter, and eggs, and bread. And also, don't forget to subscribe to Ryan Hall Y'all. Let's get him to 2 million subscribers on YouTube. Thank you. Have a good day.